Hello dear friends, my name is Adam and this is YouTube channel Fuse Service, HVAC, electrical and plumbing services in a wonderful Bay Area, San Jose. Right now I'm in our laboratory. We are not ready yet to run our school classes for our students, but today we're gonna talk about the do-it-yourself 10 advices before you can call anyone. As a HVAC pro, you can do a lot of things yourself. And the first thing actually you can do, check filters. All the time check filters, because at least 90 or 180 days you have to replace air filter in your HVAC system, whatever it is. Heat pump HVAC system, gas furnace, maybe just something unusual, oil furnace, maybe just the furnace which is going through the gravity or whatever. All the time, the first advice is check filters and change them regularly. Because as you know, every car would like to have fresh air all the time and you all the time replacing your filters. So do the same with your HVAC systems as well. And this is absolutely for free of charge and you don't have to call anyone. Second advice, so you have to keep your HVAC system very clean. Don't keep your system something like this, because this is the whole mess and this is why they're going to break out very quick. So if you lost something as a maintenance in your during daily routines, yearly routines with your HVAC system, maybe you will get something as we call very expensive repair. So make sure everything is clean and looks nice, and it's absolutely you can do yourself. Make sure you clean and check your air vents. That's right. If someone as a squirrel or maybe doves going to your air tube or pipe and someone will gonna stuck it, so it's gonna make your system overheating and just a breakage can happen. And you can do it yourself as well. So no need to call someone as me in this situation. Next advice is clean condenser coil. If you have an air conditioner or you have heat pump HVAC system, just clean coils yourself, because sometimes you can call someone to do that, but actually you can do it yourself, because this is absolutely simple maintenance. You have to just get the water hose, apply some soap water and then rinse it. Easy, right? Just keep coils clean. All the time inspect your drain lines, because if something blockage can happen, it can give it to you a very big headache. So if this kind of drain pipe will block and the water will fill it up some of the chambers of your system and it will be overflowed, and the water can go somewhere into your attic and can drip maybe to your face in the night. So all the time inspect the drain line and make sure the water flows very well when the system is running. Make sure all the time your ductwork is sealed completely, because if you have some of the punctures in your ductwork, you will lose efficiency. So make sure everything is smooth, everything is nice and no any leakages. If you have of them, so make sure you have a duct tape. Very simple thing from the Home Depot. Maybe it's cost you just about $5, and seal these punctures and holes. It's very easy to do. The next one is about the wonderful thermostats. All the time make sure your batteries not leaking with acid, and make sure the temperature on your thermostat it's actually correct, because sometimes we're gonna find out a lot of things in customer houses when the thermostat shows the 69 but actual temperature in the room about 71. That means you are not getting that much comfort as you require. And the other thing what you can get, the issue with thermostats, they usually have improper settings in the temperature difference between kick on the system and kick off the system. So make sure the difference in the thermostats are set it up correctly. All the time check your HVAC system for some abnormal noises. Right now I have something weird noise coming up from my air return ductwood, so that means something wrong with my system, with design of the system. This is actually our brand new office, so we had some issue with improper installation in the past of this office, so I have no idea, we might have to fix it. So make sure all the time your air registers are not doesn't have any obstacles, and it doesn't resist the airflow coming into your air system or out of your system. So when the system is running, sometimes try to hear what's going on in your furnace or the heat pump or maybe the fan coil, because if you will hear some of the not normal like clicking noises or something weird going on inside your machine, so just monitor these HVAC sounds, because this can be just the thing you can lubricate or something do with your rotating parts of the system to do it yourself. But let's get into the advices when you actually can call HVAC pro as me. So when you have to call to HVAC pro like me, like the company you can trust. So in the cases when you have everything checked and you replaced your filters, but you still have something wrong with your airflow, in these circumstances you have to call to HVAC pro. The other thing, for example, your refrigerant is leaking and the air conditioner is running, but you don't have any cold air coming out. The other thing, if you have something wrong with your duct in the way when your rodents maybe damaged your duct system or something like that, or maybe some of the plumber from other company damaged your air duct system, so in this case you have to call HVAC guys. The other cases, if you have uneven temperatures in the different locations in your house. For example, one room does have 72 in the running system Fahrenheit and the other system does have about 68. In this scenario, you better to call Fuse. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one.